Hello everyone, welcome to Soumya Tutorials. In this video, how we will easily install Python current version on Windows operating system and also how to run sample program here. Let us begin. We'll first go to the web browser. I use the Google Chrome here. So here you can type the Python software, download. Here it is the official website python.org. Click on it. Here click on the download options. Download the latest version for the Windows operating system. Download Python. The version is 3.11.2. So click on this. Download started and wait for some seconds. Then successfully downloaded the software. Then click on it, install. Now installation is started. Keep the default and choose or select add python.exe to the part. Now we will click on the customization installation. Here in options, features are visible here. Documentation, PIP, GDRTK and IDLE, Python test suite, PY launcher, and for all the users. Then click on the next button. Here advanced options are present. Click on the select install Python 3.11 for all users. Rest keeps as it is. Then click on the install. Installation is started and wait for a few seconds. So in the installation progress, Python 3.11.2 documentations, so and utilities and TCL TK support 64-bit are to be set up is progressed. Python launcher is also set up progressed and PIP bootstrap is also loaded. And add to the path and pre-compiling standard libraries are also installed here. Installation is progressed, so wait for a few seconds. Setup was successfully completed. Click on the close button. We are successfully installed the Python software. Then go to the verified. Then close. So in the search bar, type CMD. Open the command prompt. Here is a command prompt. Let us see how to verify the Python software. So you can type Python space hyphen hyphen version. Then press enter. It displays the version of the Python the Python space 3.11.2. Now let's type py, then press enter. Go to the Python interpreter. So this is a Python interpreter. This is an interactive mode of the Python interpreter. Now let us print something here. Print, opening bracket, open a double quotes, hello world. Then close the double quotes and also the bracket. Then press enter. This is a demo text. We printed this successfully. Hello world. Now close this. There is another option is also present. Let us remember the Python IDLE. So then go to the search bar, type IDLE, then click on that. So this is an IDLE shell Python command prompt. So in this is also an interactive mode. So you can also type anything here. So then print within a double quotes, hello world, then close. So then it displays the output hello world. You can also create a new file like any other files. Then go to the file, click on a new file, then opens the another pop window. So in this window or in this editor, you can type the sum of the Python codes, like for example, print within a double quotes, this is my first Python program, then close. For saving your program, click on a file menu, then click on save option. So you can save this program anywhere in your system, or you can click on the desktop. So here I used the name is sample program. So it will automatically take the Python extensions. So no need to enter .py. So then click on save. So here then see the path is visible here. So Python, so user, so Soumya and desktop, then sample program.py. This is a current Python programming file path. Then for executing the program, you can click run option or press the F5 button. Then it displays output for this file. So you can see the output for this file. This is my first program. So here is that how we can install the Python and also how to run the any sample program